fine. You're on. Woo! No, you got nothing to say. Just say something.
I got nothing to say.
Oh man, you're going down.
Yikes!
Yikes! Yikes! Okay, that's a good one.
Go Cardinals.
Yes.
One more thing off the bucket list.
Yeah.
High adventure.
Excellent. All right, our sweet boaters boat. They better be good. Getting a huge hit on inertia, losing people. Oh man, you know that's gonna be a deep swim. Hating it. Get him. Save your body. Oh, look at this guy. Oh yeah. Wow. Save your buddy. And then. Oh, look at this guy. Save your buddy! And there goes somebody else. Wow, that was the... Oh, we got the sideways. They're holding on. They're knowing it. All right, somebody taught these guys how to high side. What are you doing, Deb? Why? Uh-oh, here we go. Uh-oh. The opposite surf. They're high siding way too hard. Guys, come on now. Get off the floor. Get in your seat. Even better. Oh, they're going in. They're not realizing. Yeah! Run it, baby! Good job. Infraction. Watch your Tigre. All right. Coming on in. You don't want to go in the box because Albert.
That was me.
We got another attempt, guys. Didn't you just see what happened to Mark's boat? Okay, you're going for it. All right, they got the boat in. We got one guy crawling in. All right, everybody's jumping in at once. Hey, buddy, come on. Nice. Pass your paddles out. You got it, guys. Perfect. Hang out. Get ready. Yeah. Push off that rock, guys. Come on, help your guide out. She's good, but she's not that good. Nice. Back it up. Back it up, guys. Uh-oh. We're going in the pooper. All right, looks like they got enough power. Uh-oh. Filling up a little bit. Paddle. Come on, buddy. Paddle.
It's good in the day. I like it that way, but it's perfectly normal at night.
Oh, all right, there goes. Stop. Oh, they made it. Excellent. Good job, guys. Good job. Excellent. All right, there's Team Deb. Hi, guys. I think it's time for you guys to fall in. Cleaning the whole house out. Excellent. Little spring cleaning, guys. That guy is swimming like a champ. All right, Deb and the crew. They've just taken a swim. Here they come. Let's get a little face shot on. What's up, guys? Having fun out there. Excellent job.